Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn Funmatics. Open your page number 14. Very good. Match the same numbers. Is this number 1? And is this number 1? We match number 1. Number 2. Where is number 2? Is this number 2? Very good. Number 3. And is this number 3? Very good. Open your page number 15. Circle the same. Is this helicopter? Airplane? And is the same now? Very good. Teddy bear is the same. Car, same. Train, same. We complete page number 14 and 15. Okay, Allah Hafiz.